my first summer 2024 FabFitFun unboxing. I have never had a box with so many surprises. This is my second box and the surprises don't end. I ordered a mystery choice and you are not gonna believe my luck. Let's get into it. The first surprise I haven't even told you about yet in my last box, which I will link for you at the end. I won. I actually was not even going to scratch this card. My daughter said, "Oh, can I scratch this? You could win a prize." And I was like, yeah, go ahead. We took the scan of the QR code and I won $20. I won a $20 credit. It was exciting. We had often wondered, does anybody win on those? And apparently, I finally did. Okay, let's start off with item number 1. I have a cooler bag from 31. It was a surprising find for me. It wasn't something that I would have picked out. I was doing a fundraiser, just kind of happened to get it. And when I saw the design of this, because that bag had been such a standout, useful product for me, I decided I would give this one a try, and only because I absolutely love the colors. The design of this is exactly my style. It is a little bit different than the bag that I currently have. It's a lot taller and thinner, but I was intrigued by the fact that it does open up wide. What I often take to go for like a potluck or something would be a salad. So I could definitely fit one of my salad bowls in here. And yeah, it just looks super cute. I'm happy with the quality of it all. It looks exactly like it did in the pictures, and I'm really happy to add this to my collection. So I did get one more thing in customization number 1, and that was the sunglasses, the La Specs. I haven't had great success with FabFitFun sunglasses in the past. They've been good quality, but not really a good style for me. They had black, which I gravitate toward, but I went against the grain and got the tobacco ones. And the reason why I chose these ones is because the style seemed better. I've got cat eyes from FabFitFun before and they don't suit my face. Let's see how these look. I was worried they might be a little too wide, but overall, I would say that is more my style than the cat eyes. I knew they would be comfortable and they do feel fantastic. I really like how comfortable they sit on my face. I'm happy with my choice. Those were a good match for me. What do you think? Customization number 2. This is the Books & Co. flower vase. So here's what it looks like. This mint green is a favorite of mine, and I think it will match perfect and be a good bit of a compliment to all of the pink in my room. So that is a welcome addition to my craft room. And speaking of welcome additions to my craft room, the third item that I picked from customization number 3, this is the Ririku resin coaster set of 4. And I actually need coasters for my craft room. I want to protect my wooden tabletops here from getting damaged when people bring drinks in, and I thought these were a beautiful complement to my craft room. Something neutral that will just blend in, but a very pretty design, and protective little pads on the bottoms. They're very pretty, and I'm happy to have those. Customization number 3 is the Thrive Cosmetics. So I picked the color Cara, and that is what the packaging looks like. I'm really enjoying their mascara. I'm using it now. We'll just add a little bit on there. I'm happy with that. Feels nice. The packaging is nice quality. I like that snap that it has. It has a lovely feel. Another wonderful Thrive product for me to be able to use. So, mystery item in customization number 5. The story behind this is, if you have watched my past videos, I love FabFitFun for being able to discover new products. One of the products that I have found and have repurchased, which is rare, there's like a handful of products out of the 7 or 8 years I have been with FabFitFun, there's a handful of products that I have gone back and sought out paying full price for. Customization number 5 is one of those products. I actually subscribed to this in the refill. I canceled the refill because there is a different variation of this product that I prefer more, and I thought I would try to stock up on that product, and that is the Truff Love hair mask. So the Truff Love hair mask that I love is the black version of this that actually has truffle infused into the mask, where this one is an argan mask. Now I have had this product and it does work well. It doesn't work as well as the black tube, and that was what I keep hoping to find. But I cannot believe my luck. I am so grateful. I rarely ever go for the mystery product because I just don't want to chance it. Usually there's something in every category that I'm interested in. And with this one, I was debating getting the cards. I didn't really need the cards, but it was something that I would use. I'm so glad that I took the chance and got the mystery item. So that was customization number 5. Customization number 6, I am going to put this to use as soon as my video is done. This is a leash from Found My Animal. And interestingly enough, we did find our animal. We actually rescued our dog from a rescue shelter, and he has been the greatest pet. I really was debating getting the pink one because you know I love pink, but I went with the more, I guess, gender appropriate color for the dog, even though I'm the one who has to look at it. I don't dislike blue, and in fact, I wear a lot of these kind of colors anyway, but that pink one looked really cute. A pink ombre is right up my style. So that is my customization number 6. Since I've already got one of the boxes, and I've actually got one more box still coming this weekend, I have tested some of the products, and I just want to show you right now. If you go back and look at the first unboxing at my hair, same lighting, same room, everything should be the same. The only difference is I tried the Amika. I tried the Amika shampoo and conditioner set matched with the Amika Frizz Fighting mask, and I am very happy with the results. I have heard so many great things about Amika. This is day 2 of my hair having used that mask, and I'm really excited. The last time I got an Amika product, it was that blue Hydro Rush. It didn't match my hair well, but this really does, to the point where it's like, oh, I almost wished I picked an extra bottle up in one of my other boxes because it has been a really great conditioner. So this will also be a great conditioner. So I've got a good supply of hair masks. So now when you watch my other video, you can see the difference in my hair. This is hair after using the Amika shampoo, conditioner, and frizz treatment. And you'll be able to see it actually has really worked. I'm quite happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.